Okay, so we are through with the zip. Now let's move out to the welt pocket. Now this is our back panel. So this is a good side of a fabric. This is a good side. So fix our dart first. This is a good side. So fold. This is the out seam point. So you fold this inside to your trouser. Now the width of this folding, we are using 4 inches. We are using 4 inches. So we'll sew from here ½ inch down 3. Take note, this is that we're fixing at that. So from here we'll sew this down 3. Then we'll pick up the second one as well. This is the second part of our trouser. This is a good side. Take note, this is a good side. Now this is the out seam point. You're folding from this out seam point inside, and the width of this folding we're using 4 inches. So we also sew from here ½ inch down 3 inch. Take note, from here to here sewing ½ inch, then down by 3. So let's do that now. Okay, so I'm sewing the dart. Remember we said, so this is how you sew your dart. The depth of this dart we're using 3 inches. So we'll now go to our sewing machine. Sorry, our table. We'll iron this neatly. So quickly iron this neatly. Okay, so I'm through with the dart. Now this is the wrong side, and this is the part we're fixing our welt pocket. So quickly get your paper gum stay and you gum it at the point where the dart stopped. We're gumming this. So I'll quickly gum this. Okay, so now I have this. So I'll quickly turn this to the good side. So this is it. We're turning this to the good side. Now, this is where we're fixing our welt pocket. We're making a single welt pocket. Alright, so we now have this. So I'll quickly mark this point. This is where the dart stopped. I'll quickly mark that point. Alright, so keep this. Now, you pick your welt pocket. There are various ways on doing this. Now, a recap, this we're having 7 by 7, and we said these two lines, the width of these two lines is just 1/4, and the length of these two lines is 5.5. So now you get this. Now this is your pocket bag. This is a welt pocket bag. So the width of our welt pocket bag is 7.5 by 8.5. 7.5 by 8.5. So you iron this out. Quickly iron this out to get the middle. So to begin with, you place this as shown. Place this. You can see the center line out there. Now you pick your next is the trouser. So make sure that this line is in line with this. Take note. So keep this and make sure that the trouser is longer than this, so you can see the difference. Okay, so have this. Take note that this line should be in line with this line here. All right, so keep that. Next, you pick your welt pocket, good side to good side as well. Now also take note, I ironed out the middle. Take note, this middle should be in line with this as well. Now the center of this, take note, the center here, this center here should be in line with this as well. So I'll quickly place this. So I'll place this. All right, so we have this. So go to your sewing machine. You sew from here. You're sewing from here to this point. Make sure that these edges are very tight. Then you start from here. You sew to this point. So let's do that now. Okay, so we're through with the sewing. So I'll cut off now the center there. Take note, we're cutting at the center of our welt pocket. We're cutting at the center there. So the next thing we want to do is this. We'll cut from here. We'll cut everything. Remember, so I'll quickly pick this. Let's cut the 3, the black, the main trouser, and the welt pocket. So okay, the 3 there. Now we'll cut. When we get to this point, we'll cut. When we get to this point, we'll move down. We'll divert this way. Then we'll divert this way. So also cut. When we get to this point, we'll divert this way. Please, when doing this diversion, make sure that your scissors should not touch the sew thread. Make sure, be very careful. So I'll be doing that now. So I'm cutting. So when I get to that point, please take note. When you get to that point, you pick up this. make sure you're using a very sharp scissors. Make sure you get to the sewed point but should not exceed. So okay, so you see that, so stop there, then you come over to this way, do the same thing. Make sure that you get to the point but shouldn't exceed that. So okay, so if you can't make use of your scissors, you can use a razor blade. A very sharp razor blade too can work perfectly well. So I'll quickly do the same thing. Please take note, the cutting to the very last point there. Make sure you get to the very last point. Okay, so do the same thing for the second one as well. I'm doing a single welt pocket. We have a double welt pocket and a single welt pocket. Okay, so I'm through with that. So the next thing we do is, remember we said we are doing a single welt pocket. So I'll pick this, the upper part, everything. I'll iron everything inside, everything inside. So I'll iron everything inside. So I'll take this inside, everything, taking everything inside. Okay, so we have that. Next, okay, next is this. Now take note of the width of our pocket. Take note of the width of the pocket. So I'll fold. Unlike this other part, I moved everything in, but this down part, I'll keep at least a little folded point there. Okay, so I'll take this inside, taking this inside, everything inside. Okay, so as you can see, the welt pocket is coming out. All right, so you have this. Okay, so quickly get, so as you can see, our welt pocket is almost ready. So I'll turn this to, so you open this and you iron this down neatly. Okay, so we're almost ready. All right, so now as you can see, the edges are looking neat. So next is this point here. We'll sew this point, we'll sew this point neatly. We'll do the same thing for the second part. Okay, so we're through with the pockets. Now this is the pocket. As you can see, it's very neat. This is the welt pocket that we have made. All right, so now let's turn this to the back. Let's turn this to the back. Now to begin with, this point here, take a look at this tiny stuff here at the down. Let's take it again. You pick up 1, 2. This one here at the down, you sew it to this. You sew it to this first one. Just stack it a little. The reason why we're doing that, so that it shouldn't come out later on. Okay, so do that. Okay, so we have that. Now let's place this back again. Now, okay, now this other one here. Okay, now this other one here, this one here, this down one. Remember there are two here. The down one, we are sewing it to the black. We're sewing this down one to the black, so that in case you're bringing out your wallets. Okay, so we have that. Okay. Okay, so now let's still proceed. Still at the back. Now we'll now fold this. We'll fold this. Take note. We'll fold this. Now, how do you know your folding is okay? From this point here, from the point of this 6, we are using 6. So from this point here, 6. That is the depth of the pockets from this point, 6 inches. So this is the folding. All right. So we now have this. Now, when you're through with this folding, take note that this guy is still flying. This guy. Take note. So when you're through with this folding, 6, you now sew this one, this part to this upper. So I'll turn this. Okay, let's take note of our depth, the depth of the pocket back. Okay, 6 inches. Okay, perfect. All right, so I'll turn this. This other side. Then I'll now sew this. That is this particular one. This. Okay, let's take it again. So you know what you're doing. Now this particular one is still flying. So unlike this, we'll sew this to the black part. So we'll fold this to get your 6 inches, right? So we'll now turn this. Now turn this way. Now you now sew the other one that is flying. This other one now. Now sew it to the second part that we've done the folding. So okay, so we have that now. Okay, at this stage I'll use bias to pipe this round. So I'll cut this in this shape. If you take a look at some of your English suit trousers, you see that they use bias. So that is what I'll be doing. So I'll cut this shape out. So this is the shape I'll be working with. So I'll quickly sew this. So I'll quickly sew this round. The marked points, I'll quickly sew this round. Okay, so we have that. So I'll now cut off. So I'll cut off, please. So I'll cut this round. Okay, so we now have this shape. So we now get our, so this is the bias I'll be using. Take note, this is the bias. So you iron one part open. Okay, this was the closed part. So you iron one part, you open up one part. So now let's come over to this. So now starting from this point, we now sew. Take note. Okay, sewing from this point. So now sew this round. We are top stitching round. So okay. So you're doing this round the pocket bag. Okay, now this other part, take note that this other part, let's see, this other one here, let's from the inside is still flying about, so we need to sew it. So I'll just tag this from this top here. We'll tag that, we'll tag from here. Okay, so when you're through with that, now we'll now close this. I will top stitch here. So this is how to make a welt pocket. So you can see this is how to make a welt pocket.